So I've got a couple of bikes that just kind of stay out here in the back of my house leaned up against a bunch of junk. I'm trying to clean this up a little bit, and instead of just leaning them up, I'd like to build a bike rack. Low cost, simple design that will make this a little easier to deal with and clean this area up. Whenever I see a free bed frame on Facebook Marketplace, if it's close to me, I'll just go pick it up. Takes a little work to process it down from the regular bed frame, and then eventually you get some steel to work with. Anyway, it's free, so I'm going to take some of these angle iron pieces and fabricate a no-cost bike rack that I can use to organize this back patio a little bit. I'll show you as I build it how I put it together, and I'm just kind of designing it as I go. So I need to grab a few measurements to start with, so I've just got these two bikes balanced up here. So I think what I want to do is design it so I can put the back wheel in, then I can turn the handlebars, and then that's going to allow me to put them much closer together. So I'm going to get a measurement back here and find out about how wide I need to put the rack in order for it to work out like this. So I think if I put them 21 inches apart, that'll be about right. And we'll give that a go. It's going to have two rails that kind of hold the tire like this tape measure sits right there. I need to know the distance from that edge of the tire to this edge of the tire. So if I went with 23 inches, it'd be about that tall. Then that'll put me about 7 or 8 inches above the ground. 8 inches and 23. All right, I spared you all the monotonous cutting and grinding, but I just used my Bauer portable bandsaw to cut out these pieces to the lengths that I wanted, and then used a 4.5-inch angle grinder with a flap disc to grind off the paint and prep the ends where I'm going to weld. But I've got 7 of these pieces that are 7 inches long. This is about 1 1/4 by 1 1/4, 1/8 inch angle iron. I don't know if it's quite 1/8 inch, but it's bed frame material. And I have 4 pieces that are 23 inches long and 2 pieces that are 30 inches long for the base. And I've already cut cope joints in the ends, and these will get welded on here to make 4 of these U-shaped brackets. 23 inches long, 7 inches tall. And I'll get those tacked up, welded, and then I'll show you how the rest of it's going to go together next. So I've got 4 of these brackets fabricated, and I welded on the inside of the cope joint there so I could grind off the welds on the outside and have a relatively smooth surface. Next I need to cut some 45-degree angles on the ends, and I'll just use a cutoff wheel for that on a 4.5-inch grinder and get them welded to the 2 base pieces to put this bike rack together. Okay, the first test fit, and you can notice a couple things right off the bat. See how the bikes can tip? That's one of the problems, especially because I'm on this painted concrete, so it's really slick, and the slightest wind or anything can tip the bike. And then the second issue is I didn't account for this derailleur that hangs down. So I have a lot less distance here than what I originally thought. So what I might be able to do is run a piece of this angle iron across the bottom for the tire to fit down into, and that will also raise it up. And if I get it at the right height, then I'll be able to eliminate both these problems with one quick fix. So I'll just run a piece across here upside down with the V for the tire to fit in. I think if I get that channel in there, I'll hopefully be able to put the back tire in. We'll see how that goes. So after a couple of modifications and a coat of paint or 2, this is what my bike rack looks like when it's completed. Built out of junk bed frames that I got for free. You can see I've got the V-groove angle iron down there in the bottom. That's a channel for the tire to fit into. And let me show you how it works. Tires fit down in there just like I wanted. Holds the bike up straight and keeps that tire from slipping on this painted concrete. My derailleur misses the support, and I think that's just going to work out real nice. Hopefully this video will help somebody out, give you some ideas for your own bike rack built out of junk. For a no-cost bike rack solution you can use in your garage or on your patio and organize your bikes. If you enjoyed the video or if it helped you out, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And YouTube has put a video on the screen that they think you're going to enjoy. So if you click on that video, I'll meet you over there.